Well, as you can hear, it's raining outside, so I figured it's time to go in there and do a little work in the shop. So we're going to tackle the triple tree and then maybe move on to the swing arm. But you can see I've got my bolts kind of pre-installed just to help me keep track of everything, make sure I get the right bolts in the right places. And I always reference on my tablet cmsnl.com. They have great microfiche for everything. So let's get this put on. I'm missing my cap. Hold on. I accidentally put it in the drawer for some reason. So we're going to put some anti-seize on. This is just good old anti-seize and a little squeeze bottle. Okay, here we go with the swing arm. Okay, so we've drilled a hole in the castle or in the axle to accommodate the castle nut, and it'll go on there and then it'll lock in place with a pin. So let's put it all on. Alright, so we have everything ready here. Let's go ahead and put the swing arm on. All right. There we go. All right, now that we have the swing arm on, let's go ahead and put on the shocks. And I'm going to put a little bit of thread lock in these just to make sure that these don't come apart when I'm riding. Well, there you go. Sorry guys. My apologies. Since we're already back here on the tail, let's go ahead and put on the rear hoop. See if we can slide this in pretty easy. As they say, when you come to the fork in the road, take it. So let's put the forks on. I've already pre-installed a lot of the hardware, Loctite, or anti-seize, sorry, not Loctite. And got all the bolts into the right places. Got our clamp up nice, polished. Was originally black, but I decided to keep it natural. So we're going to put this on top. We're going to loosely thread that on. This whole place. I think I may have forgotten washer here. And I did. So let's get that washer real quick. Grab it up here. And I'll there it is. So, anti-seize on here. It is really cold, so anti-seize is not really well. So keep. Something tight. I'll line this up a little bit. There we go. Now that's tight enough for it. This. That goes out, so this goes down, so this is the side. Hold on a second. Ring right there. And line it up. 20 pounds. Ooh, looks like a bouncing company going. You can do that just a moment. Alright, so that rests on there. So that is that. Okay. This is the left side because this goes for the wheel. This goes down. There we go. And see if we can line it up on the second ring. So that just switch. Like that. Alright. This was a little bit also. Put this on here. And that's the ring. I can't see it. All hands here. I have a cat that's here. Just look this up. There we go. 2 and 2. Okay, so we've got these broken free. Let's take a look at them. Pop goes the weasel. Whoopsie. Let's go grab that. Yeah. A little bit of corrosion on there. Nothing that can't be fixed. We'll clean it up. Clean this up too, just since we're already up. And what I may do is I may actually fire up the old that looks good. I'll fire up the old ultrasonic cleaner and give them a nice little bath. So let's do the other one. This time we're gonna hold the cap so it doesn't spring over to the back of the shop again. Let's get the other washer. Boink. Really like this. Take a peek. Oh yeah, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. All right, I'm gonna throw this stuff in the ultraviolet or the ultrasonic washer and get it cleaned up, and we'll bring it back in a minute. So I'm gonna turn that off just for a sec. I went and cleaned the races in here to make sure that they're nice and clean. And we're going to put in 6 ounces of a 10 weight, which is what we understand is basically the same as ATF. So we're going to fill it up with 6 ounces, 6 fluid ounces, and make sure that nothing leaks. So I'm going to put this back on, and always keep your empty glasses when you go to the pub so you can go in there and measure out in them.